So I've been a bit sick lately and trying my best to stay productive and try to get better because I have a lot of stuff going on right now and a lot of cool collaborations and projects that I'm going to be showing you guys in the future. I'm really excited about it. A few videos ago I did the Speed Racer and I was going to do the Astro Boy and didn't get to finish it in that video, so did get to finish it. Really like how it turned out, so here's the footage of that.
Who is Astro Boy? Where did he come from? In the year 2000, there was no Astro Boy. There was a real boy named Astro Boy. One day, he was racing his aero car at supersonic speed on the world's safest road, Electronic Highway 66. No need for Astor to steer, speed up, or slow down. The highway controlled his car automatically. All Astor had to do was press a button. The road did the rest.
So here he is. He's on a 24 by 36 canvas. Really like how it turned out, but there's something that's been kind of bothering me. It doesn't want to lay flat, and when you hang it up, it does the exact same thing. So I don't really like that. I'm guessing it's one of the pieces of wood that's warped or isn't placed right. I'm going to try to fix that. Worst comes to worst, I'm just going to have to restretch this canvas on a different frame. I wouldn't be really happy selling this piece to somebody and then having them hang it up and it does not want to stay flat. So I'm going to have to figure that out. So as always, if you're interested in the Astro Boy, you could contact me in the email in the description down below. And also, I need your guys' help. So I have this awkward canvas here. Say it's awkward because it's kind of shaped weird. It's a 12 by 36 inch, and I'm confused of what to do next. So I'm really enjoying this like old school anime style, and I just don't know which anime would fit best on this awkwardly shaped canvas. So I had 3 ideas: Cowboy Bebop, Fully Cooley, or Dragon Ball Z. So let me know down below which anime you would like me to do next on that piece of canvas. I'm also going to do a poll on my Instagram stories, so go follow me there and let me know which one should I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.